Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Blake from Team B Marie. Today's video is about things I no longer buy. These are groups of things or categories of things that I no longer buy or use that I found sustainable substitutes for. So let's jump right in. First thing I no longer use, and it's actually a combination of things, but when we go on picnics with our granddaughters, we picnic sometimes in parks or in the car. And what we've stopped taking anything but cloth napkins. We only take cloth napkins with us for the girls. And they each have a water bottle. The blue one is for one granddaughter and the pink one's for another one. And we carry along an insulated cooler that I got at a consignment store. Put a freezer pack in there, and then we can keep things cold. I also bring along Tupperware, like plastic Tupperware that I've had for years and years, or glass Tupperware. And I put sandwiches and snacks and things that we're going to eat in those containers. The second thing that I no longer use are grocery bags, plastic grocery bags, single-use plastic bags for groceries. We have several big grocery bags. You can see that one's a pretty big sized bag. The other one was too. And then in my pocketbook, I carry along this little case, and there are two reusable bags in here so that I never am without bags when I'm out and about. So it's very convenient, and it reduces waste and helps a lot. Things I no longer buy are Tupperware, unless I can get them at a consignment store. My Tupperware is, I still buy plastic, things in plastic containers, and I use them to store things in the freezer. Here's a yogurt container. This is an old Tupperware container. This is a ball jar that I got at Goodwill. And then this is one I've had for a long time too, this Tupperware container. These are glass jars that I've recycled and repurposed from like spaghetti sauce or pickles or whatever. Here's a honey container that I use to put like my frozen bananas in. It fits a frozen banana broken in two, fits perfectly into this size container to store in the freezer for smoothies. So I no longer buy Tupperware, like I said, unless I can get it at a consignment store for a cheap price. Things I no longer buy are coffee out. I almost never buy coffee out. This is a Keep cup, which is perfect for bringing along a cup from home. And here's another travel mug that I bring along from home. This we got when we went to Hawaii, Honolulu, Hawaii. These two cups are both almost always filled with coffee when I'm leaving the house and want a cup of coffee to take along. I don't stop and get one out. I rarely ever do that anymore. And that's a big change from 10 years ago. Big change. So those are about 4 categories of things that I no longer use anymore or no longer buy. Try to resist anyway, and find sustainable alternatives. I hope you found this useful. If you have, please subscribe and click the thumbs up button, like button, and click the notification bell to be notified of when new videos are produced. Thank you.